severe thunderstorm warning for Scioto County, Eastern Ross County, Eastern Pike County, Southeastern Pickaway County, Southern Hockin County, Southeastern Adams County, Northeastern Lewis County, until 12:45 p.m. At 12:05 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Weisler to Gibbons to State Route 348 and State Route 125, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Vandenberg, Lucasville, Hocking Hill State Park, Portsmouth, Wheelersburg, Franklin Furnace. In addition, Otway, Surrey, Londonderry, Richmond-Dale, and Laurelville and Adelphi are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILM and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect.